What is executive privilege in congressional investigations? Imagine a scenario where Congress is trying to uncover important information about the functioning of the government or the actions of high-ranking officials. The question arises, how much can these officials withhold from Congress without facing legal consequences? This is where the concept of executive privilege comes into play. Executive privilege is a legal principle that allows the President of the United States and other executive branch officials to withhold certain information from Congress, the courts, or the public. The primary purpose of this privilege is to protect the confidentiality of presidential communications and to ensure that advisors can speak freely without fear of immediate disclosure. It also aims to preserve the separation of powers among the three branches of government by preventing undue interference from Congress or the judiciary. The scope of executive privilege is not explicitly outlined in the United States Constitution. Instead, it has been developed through judicial decisions and historical practice. The most significant case addressing this issue was United States versus Nixon in 1974. In this case, the Supreme Court ruled that executive privilege is not absolute. The court held that when there is a demonstrated need for evidence in a criminal investigation or legal proceeding, the privilege must give way to the interests of justice. This decision established that executive privilege can be challenged and limited when necessary. During congressional investigations, executive privilege can be invoked to refuse to produce documents, communications, or testimony that the executive branch considers confidential. However, Congress can challenge this claim in court. The courts then weigh the importance of the information against the reasons for asserting privilege. If the court finds that the information is crucial for an investigation or legal process, it may order the executive branch to comply. In summary, executive privilege is a tool used by the executive branch to protect sensitive information from congressional inquiries or judicial proceedings. While it is rooted in the need for confidentiality and separation of powers, it is not an absolute right. Courts have the authority to review and limit its use when the interests of justice demand transparency. This balance helps maintain the integrity of the government while safeguarding essential executive communications.